When I chose the program at Mount Vernon Nazarene University, I knew it would be special. Here, we're not just learning how to be nurses, but we're learning how to make a real impact. Well, there's no wait list to get into the program, so if you have a GPA of 2.75 or higher, you're in. And we get to start going to clinicals during sophomore year, so we get real-world experience right away. Our simulation and skill lab experiences here are incredible. We even have the latest technology like VR training and high-fidelity mannequins that all help us learn better. I love how this program connects faith and service. Students have opportunities to serve in places like Guatemala and Appalachia and to learn what we've used to help people in need. By senior year, we're diving deep into preceptorships into specialties like pediatrics, ICU, and even labor and delivery. And thanks to our partnership with OhioHealth, I'm guaranteed an interview for their nurse residency program. And when it comes to the NCLEX, we're not alone. We're even given a personal coach who helps us prepare and sticks with us until we pass. Our professors are incredible. They know us by name and work around our lives, whether we're athletes, musicians, or involved in anything else on campus. MVNU has prepared me for so much more than a career. It's prepared me to be the kind of nurse that employers are looking for. They know that MVNU grads are different. Here, it's about treating the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. If you're ready for a program that combines cutting-edge learning with compassion and faith, then join us here at MVNU. I'm so glad that I did.